Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Honda Pilot vs Subaru Ascent, which is better. Follow along as I walk through seating comfort, cargo space, fuel economy, and safety tech in clear, simple terms so you can pick the best fit for your needs and lifestyle with confidence, without jargon, and with practical tips for everyday driving and family trips. Let's talk comfort and seating in a friendly, down-to-earth way. The Honda tends to give slightly more third-row space, while the Subaru pairs supportive seats with standard all-wheel drive for confident handling. I'll describe seat adjustments, material options, and how easy it is to install child seats, so you know which cabin feels more comfortable for daily commuting and long weekend drives. Quick recommendation and thanks for watching. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like to support more helpful videos. On another note, these leak-proof meal prep containers are great for family road trips or packing lunches for busy days. They save time and keep the trunk tidy. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Now we'll look at performance, towing, and fuel efficiency in a clear, conversational way. The Honda tends to feel composed on the highway, while the Subaru's standard all-wheel drive improves traction in poor conditions. I'll cover real-world MPG expectations, towing scenarios, and how each vehicle behaves in city traffic so you can weigh fuel costs, driving feel, and practical towing ability for your typical use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.